This tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix DirecTV remote not working. So let's get started. There are several ways to troubleshoot a malfunctioning DirecTV remote. Here are some steps you can try. Now, the first one are the basic checks. You could go ahead and look at the batteries. This might seem obvious, but weak or dead batteries are a common culprit. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and see if the remote works. The second one is that you have to ensure that there is a clear line of sight between the remote and the direct TV receiver. Remove any objects that might be blocking the signal. Point the remote directly at the receiver sensor, which is usually located on the front panel. Alright, now let's talk about cleaning. Use a soft, lint free cloth to gently clean the remote's emitter and the receiver sensor. Dust or dirt buildup can obstruct the signals. Now let's talk about resetting. Many DirecTV remotes can be reset by the following specific button combinations. You can find exact steps for your remote model in the DirecTV user manual or through their online website. Now let's talk about the receiver restart. Sometimes a simple restart of the DirecTV receiver can resolve pairing issues. Locate the red reset button on the receiver, usually on the side or behind the access card door, and press it for a few seconds until the receiver restarts. If you're using a universal remote with DirecTV, it might need to be programmed with the specific code for your receiver model. DirecTV's website has a remote control code lookup tool to help you find the right code. So, alright, guys, those are few methods of troubleshooting, and I hope it helped you out. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.